Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante and welcome back. This week we're going to go over choosing the right size air conditioner unit for the room that you're trying to cool. Right off the bat, if you're trying to cool your whole house, this isn't going to be the video for you. We're going to talk specifically on one room, or several if that's how you want to go about it. When you look at an air conditioner, you're going to see a bunch of BTU numbers. It's going to range between 25,000 and probably the lowest I would say is 3,000, right? So what do those numbers mean exactly? Compare your square footage. If you see that formula, all it's showing you is your BTUs. Let's take 10,000 BTUs, right? And the square footage of your room. Let's say it's 300 square foot. So you're going to divide your BTUs by the square footage of your room, and that number is going to leave you with, well, that's 33.3 BTUs. That's how many BTUs it's going to take to cool per square foot of that room. So now we're going to figure out how many BTUs you're going to need for your room. We're going to take the 31 BTU that we got earlier, and we're going to times that by our square footage. That number that you get is going to give you your BTU amount that you're going to need to cool that specific room. And that's all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week for some more information.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.